So within this video, I'm gonna review the most budget smart ring I actually found online. So this ring costs less than 50 bucks. I actually bought it for like, I think 35 on a deal. So let's check it out. How does it exactly work? So this is size 9 with a deep gray, which is kind of like a black kind of option of that ring. And the cool thing about this ring is that it's actually pretty small and pretty portable. Like you can see it right here. I like the design. It's very light. So like the actual ring, it is very, very light and very portable. You can see all the sensors like inside. You can see it here as well. All the sensors. Yeah, let's see if it fits. Okay, I chose the correct size, which is good because I was really worried that I'm gonna choose the wrong size. I can see that, in the box there's only a charging cable, so not much else. So when it comes to the ring, so obviously, like you cannot really do much on this, right? We actually need an app to connect to it. So I connected the Q-Ring app. This is the app which actually supports that ring, which is decent. I can see that, there's actually a tutorial that at the beginning, if you want to activate it, you actually need to connect it to power and then you charge it through that USB-A. So the ring itself should track my steps, my calorie burn, and how many kilometers I did. It also tracks my sleep, heart rate, the sport modes. I think it has like 21 sports modes, HRV, and the blood oxygen, and the stress levels. So these are kind of the basics, and you can see everything in the activity tab, which is, looking decent. And then the sleep mode, which I haven't tested, but obviously I will. And you can see that what you can actually set it up right here. So you can set up the theme and actually connect it obviously with the Health Connect. And it says it can support up to 6 days of wearing, which for me it's pretty impressive. Like in general, why I went for a ring, why I wanted to test out the rings, because I often work on a keyboard, and when I type, it's sometimes kind of annoying that scratch it or just annoys me by the keyboard itself or the desk. So I thought like, why not to try a ring and let's see if it does the job. So that's why I bought it and thought like, let me do a review for you guys. Obviously this is a budget ring, so it's like 35 bucks, it's less than 50 bucks. So it won't do, super great things, but it is IP68 waterproof. So it is, decent. It charges through that cable and up to 6 days of battery. I think that's interesting. It can charge it full in like an hour, I see. So, I think that for like a daily usage with it, it's very, very nice. And it also has that low battery prompt. So when you're running low on battery, it will actually tell you through the app, because obviously the ring won't tell you because it doesn't have the display. Who is this for? I think it's for people who want to maybe disconnect from the, blue light, disconnect from some of the devices. You don't want to see your, time and, have another display on your wrist, which is, having a smart band or a smart watch. But you still want to track your health, track your sleep, and track your data. So I'm gonna test it out for the next few days. But like a general feeling of it is that, I like it. I think, that might be something which is good. One thing which I probably will look in the future for a ring is actually having an NFC, but obviously a ring for 35 bucks won't have an NFC. This is a Colmi like a 02 version. Obviously they won't have an NFC, but I probably will look into some other options as well which does, because I think that would be great to have in a ring, to have a sleep, steps, and that I can actually pay with it, because if I have all of those, I can easily go for a walk and don't even take the phone with me. What do you think about this? Is this a yay or nay? Have you used smart rings before? Because I'm gonna introduce even more, smart wearables to this channel, rings, bands, etc. Alright, and remember, if you like it, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on, and see you in the next video. Take care!
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.